Over 35 years of experience. At Multiseñal, we have redefined road safety to be at the forefront of industry. Our mission is to protect the lives in highways through constant innovation and excellence in every product that we offer. In the state of Hidalgo, at kilometer 55 of the Portezuelo-Palmillas Highway, we installed a synchronized curve with polymer chevrons lighted by solar energy that act in perfect synchronization. These lights guide driver, indicating the trace of the curve and fostering a speed reduction to transit safely. Likewise, at kilometer 57 of the Portezuelo-Palmillas Highway, we implemented a solution to lane reduction with a unique system at world level, composed by our latest generation solar products, as restrictive and preventive signs of polymer with flashing lights, designed to alert drivers about lane reduction and foster precautions when approaching these areas. With sustainable solutions and avant-garde technology, we transform the concept of signage in an experience of reliability, clarity, and environmental responsibility. Multiseñal, we are the vision of a future where every kilometer driven is safer for everyone.